It's recording.
Hi, Chris. Right.
You have to get down on the floor. That's what it is. Oh, there we go.
Take her paddle.
There, like that. I think she wants to go faster.
There.
I think she wants to go faster.